So, Mom and I were back to our previous hotel and today we didn't really have any plans. So, plano lang namin mamasyal-masyal and mamili ng pasalubong. We kinda took time sa pagkain ng breakfast and then we stayed a little bit in the hotel before preparing para umalis at pupunta ng Ayala Malls. So, namasyal-masyal lang kami. Mom bought something for herself and then we had lunch at Fatfa. After lunch, pumunta kaming supermarket and then namili kami ng mga pasalubong. Tapos bumalik uli kami ng hotel para iwan yung mga pinamili namin, nagpahinga ng konti, and then we went to IT Park Cebu. I actually wanted to bring Mom to the pyramid, pero I was surprised na sarado na pala siya. It was said na it has closed since the pandemic and hindi na siya nagbukas ulit. The building is still there, so pwede ka pa rin magpa-picture dun sa labas ng pyramid, pero hindi na siya operational. Malayo-layo yung binabaan namin, kaya naglakad pa kami ng konti papunta sa Sugbo Mercado. Doon na lang kami nag-decide na kumain ng dinner.
Dara, ento sa Tagum.
Sugbo Mercado is just like your typical food park. Ang napansin ko lang na difference is mas marami kang food choices, tsaka mas masasarap yung mga choices nila.
Chicken popper with rice.
And ito, finally, sa paulit-ulit na balik ko ng Cebu, first time kong makakatikim nung sikat na tuslob buwa. So, it's some sort of soup na yung main ingredient niya is cow brain. Tuslob buwa is a term in Bisaya. Tuslob meaning isasawsaw mo, tapos yung buwa means bubble kasi yung sabaw dapat bumubula-bula siya as it boiled. And yung main purpose niya is for you to sausaw, to slob the fried or grilled food that you have. So, since mostly nung binili naming pagkain were fried, saktong-sakto talaga siya. sobrang saya lang sa Sugbo Mercado. Ang daming tao and very lively yung music. Actually, sinulog na yung mga pinapatugtog nila. After dinner, bumalik na kami ni Mama ng hotel para magpahinga na dahil kinabukasan uwi na kaming Davao. Around 12 noon yung flight namin pabalik ng Davao, so hindi na kami lumabas. Instead, nagpa-deliver na lang ako ng breakfast namin sa room para doon na lang kami kumain while nag-aayos kami ng mga gamit namin. At 9 AM, sinundo na kami ni na Auntie Inday para ihatid sa airport. So nag-decide kami ni Mama na pumunta ng maaga sa airport para if magkaroon man ng mga problems, mahaba-haba pa yung oras namin para ayusin. And since maaga nga kaming nakarating, mahaba yung time namin para makapagpahinga, makapagkape, at saka mag-lunch na lang din before we took our flight. Surprisingly, our Cebu Pacific flight back to Davao was so on time. Like, it took off exactly sa oras na supposedly it would take off, and it actually arrived in Davao pretty earlier than expected. And with that, my New Year's revenge travel after 3 years has finally concluded.